Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step into a serene haven of minimalist beauty with this description of a cream white bedroom featuring modern furniture and a graceful touch of rounded arched doorways. Color palette, creamy canvas. The room sets the stage with a backdrop of creamy white walls and ceiling. This neutral color palette creates a sense of spaciousness, light, and airiness, perfectly suited for a minimalist aesthetic. It encourages relaxation and tranquility, ideal for a restful night's sleep. Modern lines and touches, sleek furniture. The furniture is meticulously chosen for its clean lines and simple forms. Platform beds with low profiles and upholstered headboards in soft, neutral fabrics create a calming and uncluttered feel. Sleek nightstands with minimalist drawers provide storage without visual bulk. Modern accents, metallic accents subtly punctuate the space. Consider chrome lamp bases, sleek picture frames, or a modern pendant light for a touch of contemporary flair. Arched elegance, rounded arched doorways add a touch of architectural interest and softness. They create a sense of flow and visual intrigue, contrasting beautifully with the straight lines of the modern furniture. Paint the arches in the same creamy white as the walls for a seamless look, or opt for a subtle accent color to add a hint of personality. Textural harmony, simple sophistication, while the color palette remains neutral. The room comes alive with various textures. A plush area rug with a subtle geometric pattern adds warmth and comfort underfoot. Textured throw pillows in contrasting hues like linen or velvet adorn the bed, adding a touch of visual interest. Natural elements, woven baskets for storage, a wooden side table with clean lines, or a potted orchid placed strategically incorporate a touch of nature indoors. This adds warmth and a sense of balance to the minimalist design. Lighting design, layered ambience. The lighting strategy complements the clean lines of the furniture and arched doorways. Floor lamps with sleek bases and simple shades provide warm task lighting for reading or dressing. Consider placing a dimmer switch for adjustable ambience. Modern touches, hanging a minimalist pendant light with a clear glass globe over the nightstand adds a touch of modern design and provides additional task lighting. Overall impression, this minimalist bedroom in creamy white with modern furniture and rounded arched doorways creates a serene and sophisticated sanctuary. The clean lines, simple forms, and neutral color palette evoke a sense of calmness and spaciousness. The carefully chosen textural elements and natural accents add warmth and personality, making the space both minimalist and inviting. It's a perfect example of how minimalism can create a beautiful and restful environment conducive to a good night's sleep. Here are some compelling reasons to consider a minimalist bedroom design in cream white with modern furniture and rounded arched doorways. Aesthetics and ambience, peaceful and spacious. The creamy white color palette creates a sense of openness and airiness, making even a small bedroom feel larger and brighter. It promotes a sense of calm and tranquility, ideal for a restful night's sleep. Modern appeal. The clean lines of modern furniture and the softness of rounded arched doorways create a visually appealing and contemporary space. It's a timeless design that won't go out of style quickly. Touch of elegance. The rounded arched doorways add a touch of architectural interest and elegance, contrasting beautifully with the clean lines of the furniture. This unexpected detail creates a unique and visually intriguing space. Functionality and benefits, easy cleaning and maintenance. Minimalist design with clean lines means less clutter and dust to accumulate. This makes cleaning and maintaining your bedroom a breeze, allowing you to spend more time relaxing. Promotes relaxation. The clean lines and neutral colors create a calming and serene atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day and preparing for sleep. Focus on essentials. The minimalist approach encourages you to focus on essential furniture and avoid clutter, creating a more organized and peaceful space conducive to sleep. Here are some compelling reasons to consider a minimalist bedroom design in cream white with modern furniture and rounded arched doorways. Aesthetics and ambience, peaceful and spacious. The creamy white color palette creates a sense of openness and airiness, making even a small bedroom feel larger and brighter. It promotes a sense of calm and tranquility, ideal for a restful night's sleep. Modern appeal. The clean lines of modern furniture and the softness of rounded arched doorways create a visually appealing and contemporary space. It's a timeless design that won't go out of style quickly. Touch of elegance. The rounded arched doorways add a touch of architectural interest and elegance, contrasting beautifully with the clean lines of the furniture. This unexpected detail creates a unique and visually intriguing space. Functionality and benefits. Easy cleaning and maintenance. Minimalist design with clean lines means less clutter and dust to accumulate. This makes cleaning and maintaining your bedroom a breeze, allowing you to spend more time relaxing. Promotes relaxation. The clean lines and neutral colors create a calming and serene atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day and preparing for sleep. Focus on essentials. The minimalist approach encourages you to focus on essential furniture and avoid clutter, creating a more organized and peaceful space conducive to sleep. Here's a roadmap to transform your bedroom into a minimalist haven in creamy white, featuring modern furniture and the elegance of a rounded arched doorway. 1. Assess your space and needs. Measure up. Grab a tape measure and sketch a detailed layout of your bedroom. Include dimensions of walls, windows, doorways, existing furniture placement, and any architectural features like closets. This will help you plan furniture placement efficiently and ensure everything fits comfortably. Declutter ruthlessly. Minimalism thrives on less. Donate, sell, or store items you no longer need or use. This will free up space, minimize visual clutter, and contribute to the clean aesthetic. 2. Creating the creamy canvas, walls and ceiling. Choose a creamy white paint shade for the walls and ceiling. Flat paint finishes are ideal for a minimalist look, as they minimize imperfections and create a smooth, clean appearance. Consider a slightly warmer white if you have cool-toned bedding or artwork to create a more balanced feel. Arched elegance. Now for the unique touch. Here are some options regarding the rounded arched doorway. Existing arched doorway. If you have an existing arched doorway, celebrate it. Ensure it's properly aligned and consider painting it in the same creamy white as the walls for a seamless flow. Creating arches. If your doorway is rectangular, explore options for creating rounded arches. Depending on your budget and DIY skills, consider framing techniques with drywall or prefabricated arch kits. 3. Selecting modern furniture. Less is more. Start with a core set of furniture, a bed, 2 nightstands, optional, depending on space, and a dresser or wardrobe. Opt for clean lines, simple forms, and functionality. Platform beds with low profiles offer a sleek and modern look. Material matters. Choose furniture materials that complement the creamy white walls. Light-colored fabric, textured leather, or wood with clean lines all work well. Avoid overly patterned upholstery or bulky furniture that overpowers the space. Storage solutions. Consider built-in wardrobes or cabinets in the same creamy white shade as the walls for streamlined storage. Utilize baskets or drawer dividers within dressers to keep clothing organized and minimize clutter. 4. Lighting for a serene ambience. Layered approach. Utilize recessed lighting strategically throughout the ceiling for general illumination without cluttering the space. Task lighting. Consider sleek floor lamps with simple shades on either side of the bed for reading or dressing. Opt for lamps with adjustable arms for added functionality. Warm glow. Choose warm white LED bulbs for all lighting to create a calming and inviting atmosphere. 5. Textural touches and personalization. Rugs that ground. Select a soft area rug with a subtle geometric pattern or natural fibers like wool or jute. This will add warmth, texture, and define the sleeping area. Choose a size that fits comfortably under the bed, leaving some exposed floor around the edges. Calming textiles. opt for bedding in neutral tones or calming colors like soft blue or green. Consider linen or cotton fabrics for breathability and a touch of texture. Personal touches. While minimalism emphasizes clean lines, don't be afraid to incorporate personal touches that reflect your style. This could be through artwork with calming colors, a unique throw blanket with a touch of personality, or a treasured family heirloom displayed tastefully on a nightstand. Bonus tips: inspiration boards. Create a mood board on Pinterest or gather magazine clippings to visualize your dream bedroom. Focus on minimalist bedrooms with creamy white palettes, modern furniture, and rounded arched doorways for inspiration. Start small, don't overwhelm yourself. Begin with painting the walls and decluttering. Gradually add furniture and accessories over time. Consult a professional. Optional: consider consulting an interior designer, especially if your space has an awkward layout or you need help incorporating the rounded archway element seamlessly. Remember, this is your personal sanctuary for relaxation and sleep. Design a space that reflects your style and promotes a sense of calm. Breathe life into the room with carefully chosen textures, calming colors, and personal touches that bring you joy. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.